So, multiplying algebraic expression is similar to multiplying a fraction. Okay, for example, I have here a over b multiplied by c over d. O, how to multiply a fraction? Okay, to multiply a fraction, so just simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, just simply a times c. Okay, we have AC over b times d. Okay, we have BD, meaning the product of A over D multiplied by C over D is AC over BD, where B is not equal to 0. At ganun din si D. Kailangan hindi siya equal kay 0 because if B and D are both equal to 0, then the given is said to be undefined. Do you understand? Okay, let us try an example. So, I have here 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4. Okay, we have two ways how to get the product of the given fraction. Okay, step 1, by just simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. After getting the product, so just simplify or lowest term your answer if necessary. Okay, get the product of the numerator. 2 times 3, 6. How about 3 times 4? 12. Or just simply 6 and 12 are both divisible by what is the GCF of 6 and 12? 6, very good. So, 6 divided by 6, 1. And 12 divided by 6, 2. Therefore, the answer is 1/2. Or another way is by applying cancellation agad. So, we can apply cancellation if the given is only one term or monomial. Okay, how to cancel? We can cancel numerator and denominator. Pwedeng taas, baba, kanan, kaliwa. Naintindihan? Basta ang usapan, ang pwedeng i-cancel si numerator at si denominator. O based on the given, may pwede ba tayong i-cancel? May common factor ba sila? Yes, 2 and 4 have a common factor. And what is the factors of 2 and 4? 2. Okay, just simply divide 2 and 4 by the common factor which is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And then 4 divided by 2, 2. Ano pa? Sino pa yung may common factor? Okay, 3 and 3. What is the GCF? 3. 3 divided by 3? 3 divided by 3? Okay, after apply cancellation, our next step is multiply the remaining term. What are the remaining term? 1 times 1? 1. And then 1 times 2? Okay, so any method, parehas pa rin ang magiging sagot. Do you understand?